nicely, like as you see inside. Hey everyone, today I'm gonna demonstrate a sandpaper roll. One time I was working and I wanted to use this sandpaper roll because this was really heavy duty and strong, really well made sandpaper, but I don't have the handpiece where I can install this. You guys as know, this is a lot thicker. This is 2.2 millimeter bit that we use with this handpiece. So I had to figure out something, and I was able to actually make it work. I'm going to show you guys what I did, how I did it. Hopefully you guys will find this interesting and useful, and you can use it for yourself. So I have one that this hole is a lot bigger than 2.2 millimeter, which is like if I put this, it's wobbly in there, it won't work. So I'm going to demonstrate you guys what I did last time to make this thing useful. So first thing first, I'm gonna use a grinder to put some grind this, put some marks in here, and you guys gonna see why I'm doing this. Alright, that's how it looks. This is good. So next I'm gonna use like a yellow envelope that we all use. I'm gonna do maybe a like 3/4 inch. Cut it like that. And I wanna make a nice round much is enough. Now I'm gonna try to find the width that I need, the thickness. Still needs to go a little more. Okay, as you guys see, now it's not wobbly, right? So I'm going to remove this. I'm going to use crazy glue, right? Which is super glue. I don't know, people use it crazy and super. So I'm going to apply it and where I put that paper, where make it all like hard, solid, and I'm gonna try to use it work really fast. The reason, so you guys, the reason I put this grinding the hell is this, the reason I grinded this part because I want the glue to really hold on to it so it doesn't skip or anything or break. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply like that, and maybe like put some here, and just push it in nicely. Make sure I don't come out from this end, and pretty much that's how you do this. It's gonna dry, and it won't take very long to dry. It's gonna dry pretty quickly. It's gonna end up looking like that, and I'm not gonna wait until it dries, but I have one that I've made previously where you put it on. It works with 2.2 width of millimeter of handpiece, Like if I want to sandpaper this, it works, like as you see inside. So this is how you make that roll of sandpaper to use with thinner band. All right, so one time like I said, I needed to use sandpaper, and I had this sandpaper, and I love this sandpaper. It's like really thick and really well made, and you can use this for a long time. So I had to figure out, this is how I did it. Hope this is gonna help you guys to be able to accomplish the same thing. If you guys have any questions, please leave comment down below, and I will gladly tell you guys how I did it. If you need any further thing to ask, and pretty much this is how you do it, and this is not gonna break or anything, as you guys saw how I did the scratches and everything with the grinder, and you're gonna be able to use this for a very long time and do a really good clean job. And as I said, I love my hand piece. This is how I use this sandpaper. And thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys.